welcome again to my channel, Door Travel, and today's episode is about again my travel and souvenir edition. And today's episode I'm gonna share to you one of my favorite perfume from my collection, and it's called Dawson from Diptyque. Okay, this, when you buy this one, it comes with a small tester, the same smell of what you bought. This is to make sure that you like the fragrance before you open the big one. So just in case you don't like the tester, then you have chance to return the big fragrance. Anyway, when on the initial spray, it gave me a spicy pink pepper smell with a little bit jasmine and a little bit of subtle tuberose, and which reminds me very much of Gucci Bloom. So it takes me 3 days to decide if I will take this perfume or shall I return it, because I have already Gucci Bloom, so why will I need Dawson? So 3 days keep passing, and I wait a little bit, few more days, and I keep studying the spray from the tester, and I found out that the dry down is completely different from Gucci Bloom. So basically the dry down of Dawson is a bit creamy tuberose, and turns out to be not really synthetic, not like the Gucci Bloom, and it's turned out to be spicy floral scents, a spicy iris, and which is blending come and go with sweet tuberose. And the projection is not so bad. It's very good though, but the longevity is quite poor. It only lasts like 3 to 4 hours, depends on the humidity. Unlike with the Gucci Bloom, which lasts like 5 to 6 hours. Well, the difference is Gucci Bloom smell more synthetic, and the Dawson has more, a little bit of a lot of flowers, a lot of oil. But I think this is because it's cologne, so it's not really long lasting. But it's really very classic scents, and I find it is very nice when you going for a picnic, a Sunday barbecue with friends, a brunch, and it's very classy, like you're wearing a tea dress and a shoulder bag, very girly, yet so sophisticated. I like the bottle though, and the packaging as well is very nice, and it's doubled, so it's protected if just in case you want to keep it long or don't use it that much. So perfect gift for yourself from traveling. This came from France, and I really like it, and that's all, folks. Thank you for watching, and again I'll see you again on my next video. By the way, if somebody asks you, oh, you smell Gucci Bloom, just say Dawson, and just wait a little bit and you will see that it's really a completely different perfume at all. But it's always your call if you want to have the Gucci Bloom or you want to have Dawson. And if you be like me, I have both, because the dry down is more important, because at the end of the day, it's the one with settle down is dry down. So you just wait to be oxidized, the initial blends of spray, and here you go. It's a completely different style. Anyway, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.